Hey, how's it going? It's Arie here, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving my full in-depth honest review for the multiple income funnel program. So what exactly is this all about, and is it worth joining in 2021 and beyond? So I'm going to go over all the details of this program, everything that you need to know about this, and I'm also going to go over a little bit later on how you could realistically use this system to make high-ticket commissions online, going anywhere from $1,000 per day, $2,000 per day. This is also really great for getting monthly residual income. And as a bonus, this is really great for getting repeat buyers. So if you are someone that wants to consistently get high ticket sales online with affiliate marketing, you want to perhaps go full time, you want to really get the maximum results possible, by leveraging a system that's already working, then I'll of course go over how to really maximize your results with this program. But of course, at any point in this video, if you want to check this out for yourself, there is going to be a link down below. The first link down below this video will take you over to this video right here, where you can learn more about how how it all works. At any point, you could join for 49 bucks a month right there, right? So when you decide to join through that link down below, I will have some really cool bonuses for you that I'll go on, I'll go over a little bit later on this video. But I want to first and foremost explain why this program works so well, especially for people who are completely brand new. So if you're on this video right now, and if you are someone who is completely brand new to affiliate marketing, you haven't really had any sort of success online before, then I want to explain why this program is really beneficial to get started with if you are someone that is looking to get that first breakthrough online, right? So obviously, as you know, with the internet nowadays and with all this noise out there, there's so many different things you could be doing right now. There's so many different business opportunities. There's so many different training programs you could join. There's all these different things you could be doing. But the problem with a lot of these programs is, for example, you join, one business right here. I'm using I don't even know what I'm drawing right now, but you join one specific program right here. You get into this thing right here, and this shows you how to do affiliate marketing, for example, or you have some sort of offer that you want to promote. But the problem with it is that to really get long-term sales with any sort of program out there, you need to learn quite a few things, like, for example, building out sales funnels, or recording sales videos, or doing email follow-up. And all these things take time to learn if you're someone who's brand new. So if you've never done any of this stuff before, if words like autoresponder or sales funnel builder, if they sound like a different language to you, then the problem is with the traditional affiliate marketing is that you go out there, you find an offer, and then a lot of people on YouTube say, okay, just send traffic, just buy some clicks off some site. But this does not work for most newbie affiliates, because most people don't buy in the first time that they see something, right? Typically, it takes multiple exposures, which you have to learn things like building out sales funnels, following up, and these types of things is just overwhelming for most people. So where this system actually comes into play is this allows you to simply promote one link. So this gives you pre-built capture pages you could plug into, sales videos, you have lead magnets that you can give away, and all you really have to do here is just share these links, right? So for example, this first capture page link right here, all you really have to do is get eyeballs to this link, and the more you can get people to opt into one of your capture pages, then the more leads you get with this program. The more leads you get, the more these are going to be followed up with by the system. And the system, because it takes care of all the follow-up for you on your behalf, you don't really have to do any additional work to convert these leads into buyers. So the nice thing is unlike a lot of other programs where you have to learn how to follow up with people, this program actually takes care of all that stuff for you on your behalf. So there is no need to worry about building funnels, or writing out your own emails, or recording your own videos, because this system takes care of all that for you. And what makes this even better is you have the ability to earn from 4 income streams simply by promoting one link. So again, with most programs out there, you find an offer, you send it traffic to that specific thing right there, and then, maybe like once in a while you get like one particular commission. But with this program, for each customer that you refer, you have the ability to get paid up to 4 times from the 4 income streams right here, right? So I want to walk through exactly, what all these income streams are and how they all work. So the first one, of course, is the system itself. This allows you, once you get signed up, this will already be, I think, configured already. And this allows you, when you start getting sales of this program, this allows you to get these monthly residual commissions. So you get $20 per customer that you refer. And also they have an annual plan where if someone buys into that, you can get 180 per customer. So someone signs up to monthly, they then upgrade to yearly, then you get 200 for that particular member that signs up, which is pretty cool, right? So that is the first income stream that they have inside of here. The second one is a program by the name of Easy 1UP, and that is this program right here. So this program has digital marketing training, and their product packages range anywhere from $25 all the way up to $2,000 right here. Now, what makes this program really great, and the thing that I absolutely love about Easy 1UP, is this is one of the very few affiliate programs that pays out instant commissions. And also, it's 100% commissions as well. So when you make a sale, for example, at, the Vertex Pro level, that is an instant $1,000 commission that you're getting, and same goes with all the other levels right here. Like, for example, $2,000 per day, as you can see right here. But the one thing about Easy 1UP is that you are eligible to earn on the level that you come in at, whatever level that you buy, and everything below it. So for example, you come in at, Vertex Pro, you're eligible to earn commissions up to this level right here and everything below it. So if someone decides to sign up to Vertex Live, that does get passed up to your sponsor. So to really maximize your results with this exact income stream right here, you want to really maximize your earnings by coming in at the highest level that you could afford, right? So if you could afford to come in at Vertex Live right away, I highly recommend it, because it just it'll put you at a massive advantage for the long term. And you also be saving money because you get all the other lower levels at no additional cost, which is also really great. But that's the thing I absolutely love about Easy 1UP right here, right? So the next income stream inside of here is a program by the name of TextBot. This allows you to get paid instant $100 commissions, and it just logged me out real quick. Hold on. So this third income stream right here is a program by the name of TextBot AI, and this is a text message marketing system that allows you to follow up with your leads through SMS marketing, which is a pretty cool software you can get. But this allows you to get commissions, $100 commissions per day, as well as $500, and they also recently launched a new $1,000 level as well. So this is another great income stream to use because, for one, the product's also really great, and also you're going to get some pretty good commissions with this as well, right? So that's a third one. Now, the fourth income stream that is inside of here is a program by the name of Traffic Authority. Now, the great thing about this exact program right here is if you are someone that wants to get repeat buyers online, if you want to get consistent, predictable, high ticket sales online, then that is exactly what this program is really great for. So this, you could earn, some pretty big commissions on the product packages that they have available. And the way how this program works right here is you can go to the traffic store, and you could use this to, for example, get traffic to any of your capture page links. So if you don't know how to get traffic online, then Traffic Authority is a really easy way to start. You could just pay for clicks if you want to. And then all you'd have to do here is go down to step 2, click on other website, and you could just give them the link to one of your capture pages. So you just copy one of these links right here, give them the link to that capture page, and then you would just complete the transaction, and then they will start sending over those clicks on your behalf, right? So this is great not only for getting more exposure to your capture page link, but this is also really great for earning commissions whenever someone decides to go through here and they buy one of these traffic packages. So with with Traffic Authority, as you can see right here, this since the highest package is about $8,000 right here, or a little over $8,000, you can get some pretty big commissions with this exact traffic source right here, as you can see, right? So there's tons of members with this exact program that are earning, for example, like, $2,000 in a day, like $3,000 per week, and, like over $10,000 in a month just from this one income stream alone. And that's the thing that really makes it really powerful. And most people who buy traffic from here, most of them end up buying more traffic, as they want to get more exposure. So this only means for you that, more consistent sales coming in without you having to put any additional work. So this is really the, exactly how the program works right here. And really the name of the game is the more eyeballs you can get over to your capture page links that they give you, then that essentially means the better results you will have in the long term, right? So always remember this, your results with any program always come down to what you're willing to put into it. If you just kind of dip your toes in the water and you don't really do much with it, or you just kind of you buy like a couple clicks but you give up like after like a week or something, then you can't really expect that much big things to happen in the long term. But you want to go in with the mindset of, okay, if you want to for example, have freedom in your life, if you want to consistently have $1,000 days, $2,000 days, if you want to, be able to do this, full time and, not have to work, like a 9-to-5 job, then you want to go in with the mindset of, being, fully consistent, for the long term, have a long-term mindset, and the more consistent that you are, the better results you will have in the long term. So this is exactly what the multiple income funnel program is all about. But what I want to do right now is I want to go over some of the bonuses that you're going to get access to when you decide to pick this up through the link down below. So when you visit the link down below and you decide to get started, after you watch this video right here, you get started with the with this program right here. I do have some additional bonuses, such as my exclusive training that shows you how to become unique and how to really separate yourself from the competition, right? So one big thing that a lot of the new affiliates struggle with is that when they join any sort of program out there, like this, for example, that has tons of competition, one thing that a lot of people struggle with is how do I really stand out? How do I really become one of the people that get consistent sales online? And that is exactly what this section of the training will go over. So it goes over, and by the way, all these things that I show you in these videos right here, you don't necessarily have to do these things, but if you want to really stand out and really maximize your earnings, then this will be very beneficial for you to go over. This will show you how to really increase your sales, how to really get long-term results, not just with this program, but any other program that you decide to join in the long term. So you'll learn things like how to build your list, how to build your first funnel, how to write out your own emails. And what I highly recommend for people who are brand new is if you've never done any of these things before, I recommend start with what works. So you could start with using the resources that multiple income funnel gives you, and then as you're doing that, then you could learn these things on the back end. And this will of course allow you to become much more unique. I'll also show you things like how to get more traffic online. So I'll show you additional traffic methods like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, which I know is doing really well, and tons of other methods like paid traffic strategy you could dive into right here. So I show some additional methods you can get paid traffic, but again, the more traffic you can get, the better results you'll have in the long term. I'll also give you access to my exclusive funnels that you could plug into. So if you want to literally replicate the exact funnels that I'm using to promote this exact program, the ones that I built myself that not as many people are using, so that you could have much better results in the long term, then that's exactly what this will be very beneficial for you for right here, right? So this is these are the bonuses you're going to get when you decide to join at the link down below, and you get started today for $49 a month with this exact program. Now, I do have some additional bonuses that I want to go over, and these are going to be specifically for those who come into the second income stream, Easy One Up, and you come in all the way at the $2,000 level. Now, I understand that this is, it might, this obviously, going to be a stretch for some people, but if you can come in at this level, at this level right here, I've got some additional bonuses for you that will really help you maximize your earnings for you and really get you the maximum results with this exact program right here. So first thing you're going to get access to is you're going to get a exclusive one-on-one coaching session with myself, where me and you will get together on a like a one-on-one Zoom call, and we will work out a custom plan for you to really maximize your results of this program. So regardless of if you want to learn, for example, YouTube marketing, Facebook, TikTok, this session will help you to get up and running with this exact program. It will help you to really maximize your earnings, and this will show you pretty much a full blueprint that you could simply plug into to really get the maximum results with this program. You could also ask me any sort of questions that you have, regarding like if there's anything that you have a question on, or if there's something that you have trouble with, you could simply ask me a question on this coaching call right here. But in addition to that, you're also going to get access to additional one-on-one Q&A coaching sessions. So if this first session isn't enough, there will also be monthly Q&A sessions where you can get together on another Zoom call with myself, with tons of other members that have also came in to Vertex Live as well. And this will be specifically where you could ask me any sort of questions. So anything that you want additional clarification on, that's exactly what this will be really, really great for. You'll also get access to, additional training, like, for example, if you want to learn a specific strategy like YouTube, Facebook, solo ads, how to build funnels. You'll also get access to the bonuses from my mentors, Dirk and Muriel. And of course, you'll also learn my YouTube Jumpstart Blueprint, which is the exact method I used to get my very first breakthrough online. So anyways, hope you see an opportunity for yourself. If this looks amazing to you and you're like, man, this really looks awesome, I really want to get these high ticket commissions online, then go ahead, visit that link down below, get started today, go through this exact video, decide to, jump on board. And then if you really want to maximize your earnings, I highly recommend coming in this level right here. Although, again, that's completely up to you, right? So go ahead, go down below, get started today, and my friend, I will see you on the inside. Take care.